Hello, my crafty friends. I got a couple of things in the mail today, and I wanted to share them with you. The first is this most adorable card from my friend Alease. She is Aleases46 here on YouTube. Hi, Alease. Thank you so much for my card. And she just said she's hoping all is well, and she wanted to say hello. Isn't that cute, you guys? So, so pretty. And she signed it with a stamped heart. So, so cute. Look at the glossy accents on her watering can and her little shoes. She colored her up with Copics. She even has glossy accents on the little flowers over here. So cute. Thank you so much, Alease. I will be sure to put a link in the description box to her channel. But anyway, Alease is participating in Jill Norwood's Saturday Morning Makes, and you can hashtag that. And it's now grown. A whole bunch of ladies are joining in, and they are participating and creating something on Saturday morning. Well, anyway, I had watched Alease's video, and she used these colored pencils with her Copics. Jeez, I can't think today. Sorry, guys. And I said, where did you get those? And she goes, Walmart. And I said, oh, well, that's going to be a while, because Walmart is about 45 minutes from me. And either one, I can go to the super Walmart, or I can go to the little one. And I'm trying to avoid going out due to high risk. But anyway, I said, okay. I said, I'll see if I can't find it online. Well, then Alease messaged me back, and she goes, it's on its way. And I'm like, what? What did you do? And she goes, it's on its way. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you girls are too kind. So she had these shipped from Amazon. I didn't even have a chance to go look. And these are the colors. Now, I did find the crayons at Target, but I had not seen the pencils. And after she did her little bunny with the Copics, and then on top of that used this, I just thought it was so cute. And I wanted these colored pencils. And she found them for me. So not that I don't have colored pencils, but I didn't have these colors. So thank you so much, Alease. That was so sweet of you and so appreciated. And just to be warned, I will get you back when you least expect it. So thank you so much, my friend. And then I also received a surprise package from Susan Tootsie Tucker. Hey, Tootsie! And wait till you guys see this. I laughed so hard. Oh my gosh. Look at that, you guys. Sorry for the glare. Let's see if we can adjust a little bit. There. Maybe that helps. Isn't that funny? Oh my god, it's so cute. This has got to hang in here somewhere. I think I'm going to put magnets on it and put it on my magnet board. That'll be funny. And on the back, it says, just because sometimes your buddy needs a sloth. Susan knows I'm in sloth mode. Pretty much everybody knows I'm in sloth mode. I'm hoping I get out of it soon, but we'll see. We'll see. So that's it, you guys. I hope that you've enjoyed. Thank you so much, ladies, for thinking of me and always, reaching out and checking on me. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys later, and make a happy memory. Bye-bye.